Today we'll be talking about one of the best ways to make 500 rands online, which is on Betway. So starting off, you firstly have to sign up. So you have to go to the Betway website, click it, then sign up. Then while signing up, you have to put in your information, which is your phone number, password, first name, middle name, surname, email. After that, you'll be getting a verification code of which Betway will say you for you to put in. After putting in, you'll be moving on the signing up. You'll be logging in. After logging in, you'll go to the sports. After going to sports, you go to soccer. From there, you'll see the popular leagues, but I'm gonna give you the top 5 leagues of which you should use while using the strategy of which I'll be giving you right now, which is a Premier League, La Liga, League One, A Series, and the Bombers League. So, as I gave you the leagues, I'll be showing you how you use the strategy, which will be going to any team which is from the leagues I've gave you and choosing wherever you're gonna use their over 1.5, 2.5, or under 1.5 or 0.5. But in this strategy, we'll be focusing more on the both team to score and which team to win. So you'll be going to more bets. After going to more bets, you go down, go down, go down. After going down, you'll see the option of 1x2 and both teams to score. Whereby you'll go there and you pick whether you pick any team. For an example, here I'll be showing you with the Spain versus Germany, whereby you can see that Spain could win the match and both teams to score, which has 3 odds, which is high odds. Imagine betting with 100 rand, you could get 300, which is 200 profit. So odds just like mean times the money you bet with. That's how sometimes they refer it. So you could also go for a draw and both teams to score, which has high odds, which is 4.10 odds, and also go for the draw and no team to score, which is 20 odds. But for you to have more winning rate, you firstly have to analyze. You have to analyze. For an example, it was Spain and Germany, right? Go to Google and search for Spain versus Germany. Then after going to Spain versus Germany, you check the previous matches, how they were performing. For an example, you go there and search how they were performing in the previous matches. You can see that Spain won 1 time and they drew 3 times, and Germany won 1 time. So there's a highly chance of both teams to score, because you can see the both teams to score has been happening for 3 times for them from the last 5 matches. You could see that also Spain did score 6 goals, and most of the matches they were scoring 1-1, 1-1, which is draw and both teams to score, which is likely to happen. Because you always have to analyze to lower your risk of losing your money. And you could also stake high, for an example, 50 rand, 100 rand, 200 rand to win more money, because we all want money. We are here to win the 500. After you stake, that's when you could win. So watch my next videos where I'll be explaining on how to win using the over 1.5 strategy. See you in the next video.